Ia tātou te talo, e le swafele te maa, ma le alo, ma le nganga, pa ia amene. Yesu e. Hawhetai I lau mafuta mai I ai mātou le whanau, whai aonga ma o mātou ainga. Alofa pui pui mātou unga I le nei whaamai. O la mātou te talo lea, Yesu e. Amene. Yesu alwhele te maa, ma le alo, ma le anganga, pa ia, amene.
Welcome to Whakanui's Assembly. My name is Zoe and I am your narrator and host. Let me tell you a tale from Whakanui Stories of Fame. It's a goodie. There were once two brothers who loved to dance. They danced and danced from morning to night. They even danced in their sleep. They decided to be called the Whakanui Dancers. They were known all over the world and performed in different countries.
United States, Canada, Mexico, Panama, Haiti, Jamaica, Peru, Republic, Dominican, Cuba, Caribbean, Greenland, El Salvador too.
They made the best team ever.
That's my Uso. That's my...
But this isn't your typical story because it didn't end there. No, not quite yet. One day the two brothers had a falling out because they both wanted to enter the TikTok World Champions.
The TikTok Championship 2021 is coming up.
They weren't agreeing on each other's dance sets. They disagreed so much that they gave up. And so the two brothers decided to part their ways and create their own dance crews. Sad.
I want to do this dance.
I want to do this dance.
No!
They recruited dancers via Zoom and hosted many interviews.
Hi, welcome to my interview. Would you like to be part of my dance crew?
Yes.
Who inspired you to dance? Mr. Ryan.
Hi, welcome to my interview. You want to be part of my dance crew?
Yes.
Who inspired you to dance?
Mrs. Malatino.
Until finally Isaiah brought together his dance crew, who were called the Whakanui Tuanua Spacers, and Tyler's crew was called the Tuatahi Divine Dancers.
Hi, my name is Tyler, and this is my dance crew right here. And they are the best. How do I know that? Because I am the best dancer here. Isaiah, can you show us what your dancers can do?
Hi, my name is Isaiah, and this is my dance crew right here. If you think you can battle with us, show us what you got, Tyler.
Round 1.
Fire down, if you show, baby, fire down. I'm a fire down, if you show, baby, fire down.
Écoute ça, c'est le sapin.
Sexual content, parental discretion is advised.
Come on, guys. Those dances were both really good. We don't need to have a dancing battle over this. Anyways, before I continue with the story, Mr. Ryan, please can you present the awards and certificates?
Tolo falava, malo vale, malo ni hao, kumista, namaste, bulavanaka, assalamu alaikum, shlomalokan, stravo, kiorana, tina koto katoa, and good afternoon, everyone. Learn to love. Love to learn. Well, guys, we made it to the end of the week. Hopefully, we find out soon whether the lockdown finishes and we can all come back to school on Monday. I'd like to thank the staff who prepared all the devices to get them home to the families, and to the families. Thank you so much for engaging with online learning. So it's wonderful that we didn't miss a week of learning for our kids, because it's really important that we keep our learning going throughout the whole year. So thank you for getting into your Zoom sessions, your Google Classrooms, your websites, your iExcel, Sunshine Online, your Seesaw accounts. Did an amazing job. So proud of you. We didn't get to say farewell to Father Brian. He is still here, so hopefully this week we will get to say goodbye to him and really appreciate all the work that he has done. So thank you to Whakanui, Tuatahi and Tuarua for putting together Assembly today. We really look forward to it. Our principal awards for this week. Our first award goes to Isabella Tokona for great work on her seesaw learning and completing all of her activities. To Elbron Isaac for showing enthusiasm when taking part in the classroom Zoom sessions. To Cade Hiddleston for actively participating in all Zoom discussions and being really involved in his home learning. Suncia Sebastian for giving her absolute best in all the work she has completed on Seesaw. Lana Aquino for outstanding work in recording on Seesaw. Tafi Namono Tonga for your awesome contributions during the Zoom sessions this week. Tyler Utupo for amazing performance in online assembly. In fact, all these ones are. There is Zoe Judge for her amazing narration on the assembly. To Isaiah Utupo for his fantastic performance in the assembly today, and Tiana Maka for her wonderful acting skills during the online assembly. Joel Silva for his positive attitude towards his online learning tasks during this week. Cassandra Sawa for completing all her online learning to a consistently high standard. Isabella de Leon Sattler for completing her duality map to an extremely high standard ahead of the due date as well. Well done. Benedicta Halapio for being able to self-manage and begin her interesting K-pop research project. Sounds a good one. Alexandra Ligamate for creatively organising karakia involving all her whānau. That's an awesome thing to do, Alex. And Rita Iti, completing all her online mahi to extremely high standard. Hey guys, well done for doing this fantastic work during a lockdown. Really appreciate how you've really taken on board what's been asked of you and kept up your learning. Awesome job. Our Excellence Trophy winner goes to Sadie Rose Penne for her wonderful duality map, where she discovered the different marks of mana in Samoa and Māori. In a beautiful how a duality map you can compare cultures and all those similarities. Well done, Sadie Rose. It goes to the amazing staff who came into school every day this week during the level 3 lockdown to support some of our tamariki who are learning on site. Thank you so much for giving your time away from your whānau and your kids who are you're teaching online too to come in and do your mahi at school. So thank you once again for supporting all of St. Anne community.
Spoons, 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 spoons,
Hi, Alavina.
Oh, hi, Nancy.
How was the bubble going with the kids?
Oh, good, thank you. Hey, it's raining. Can you take me home?
Oh, not a problem. You know I'll take you home anytime you want.
Oh, thank you. Just remember, don't forget me because it's raining.
Don't forget you. Oh, I would never leave you behind. I will be here. 3 o'clock, so I'm just sorting out the devices for the families, and then I'll be back and I'll take you home.
Okay, thank you.
Nice. Enjoy the bubble.
Thank you. You too. Oh, hey, Nancy.
Hey, Lavina.
Remember, you're taking me home tonight.
I remember. I was nowhere I'd leave you behind. I will be here at 3. Come on, let's have a cup of coffee.
Oh, hey, Elena, what are you doing today?
I'm making the fluffiest pancakes.
The fluffiest pancakes?
The fluffiest pancakes.
Well, I mean, they're from a box. Oh, hey, Nancy. Don't forget, you're taking me home tonight.
Oh, Alavina, I could never forget you. I will definitely take you home tonight. Fluffy pancakes. Oh, gonna be great.
Ooh, can't wait to taste these fluffy pancakes, Elena.
Fluffy pancakes?
Alright, good afternoon guys. Thank you for your guys' work today. Devices have been sent out. You guys have done a lovely job. It's a hard day in the office. I'll keep in touch with you guys tomorrow. Thank you. Have a good afternoon.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Norman. It's been really good giving the devices out. Alright, let's go. Oh, but Mr. Norman,
No. Sorry, Mr. Norman. It's home time.
Oh,
No. Thank you.
I think I've forgotten
Right,
something.
thank you.
Oh, Mr. Norman, I just need to go and get...
No. Home, go home.
Oh,
Thank
no,
you.
I just need to...
No, home.
But Mr. Norman, I just need...
No, home. Thank you. I'll email you later. Thank you.
Oh, there was something I was supposed to do. I just can't remember. Oh well, time to go home.
Nancy, are you in there? Nancy, are you there? I knew she would forget me.
Alavina!
Nancy, there you are.
Told you I wouldn't forget you. Now look, we're just in time for afternoon tea supper. Come on, let's go.
Mr. Fiso, please can you show us how to do the perfect whack? because you are a rugby champion.
Hey guys, Mr. Fiso here, and today I'm going to teach you the whack.
His pills, his hands, his jeans, and now I'm covered in the colors, pull apart at the seams, and it's blue, and it's blue.
Step 1, the warm up. Stretch.
Here comes the hot stepper. I'm the lyrical gangster. Big up the crew in the area. Still have it like that. No.
Step 3, perfecting the whack, also known as a side step.
Anyone press will hear the fat lady sing. Act like you know, recall. I know what both don't know. Touch them up and go. Oh, ching ching. Here come the hot stepper. I'm the lyrical gangster. Excuse me, Mr. Officer. Still have it like that. Extraordinary, juice like a strawberry. Money to burn, baby, all of the time.
OMG, sorry everyone. Oh, where was I? Oh, that's right. So Tyler and Isaiah, you two were still trying to be the best. So of course the story continues.
I know the Tuatara Divine dancers will win this year's championship. I have the finest dancers all around. Take a look at this one we've been practicing.
Drop it on my car.
Not bad, but can you beat this one?
Impressive. St. Anne's, I think they're both really good. What do you guys think? Anyways, enjoy your very own Whakanui iMovie. Enjoy.
It is 10:35 a.m. in the Maka house, and online learning is in full swing. My question is, Miss Israel. Mom, something is wrong with Zoom. Help! No, wait, it's going to give you the one that you can have. Mom, something's going wrong with my Chromebook.
Mom, the internet's turned off.
Oh, change providers.
The internet's been turned off.
Oh, so frustrated. The email won't work. Mama, can you email my teachers and tell them that I can't sign into my Google site? I knew that. Yes, it worked.
Let's go. It's time to go to school. Okay.
Please, go back to sleep. I'm very tired.
Why?
It's level 3, didn't you hear? See? Now go back to sleep. Arisa, what's the password again?
It's student 2019 with a capital S.
Larissa, it's not working! Help me!
Capital S T U D.
Wait, why does that say stub? Oh, that's why!
Us teachers need you guys to finish your RE, your writing, your maths, and your reading. Okay? So Isaiah, what have you been doing?
Math, RE, writing, and Excel.
Good job. Okay. What are you going to do after this, Isaiah?
I'm going to do my homework.
And what's that?
Like doing English on Excel and finishing off my work.
Okay. I'll let you do that. Bye.
Bye.
See ya.
See ya. Bye, Miss Israel. Finally, my Zoom is finished. Let's go do my homework.
And remember guys to share your work with your Kaitiaki teachers because straight after the Zoom, we're going to be checking and marking your work. Okay? Have a great day. Bye. Say goodbye to your teachers and friends. Bye Isitolo. Bye Marianne. Bye Zoe. Oh, finally my Zoom is over. Now, what was I?
I'm going to start now. Right, who would like to share what you and your whānau have been doing during this lockdown? Oh, quite a few hands have gone up. Let's hear from Joanna first.
So I've been practicing my IXL, doing Excel English, Can you please go? Can you please stop? I'm trying to answer Mrs. questions and you just annoying me.
Hi Ella. How are you doing? I just received an email from St. Anne's. Says that you have to do IXL today. Okay? So you have to do it. Otherwise, no iPad today, no TV. Understood?
Okay. Let's go to my iPad. Put in this. Oh, it's already on Excel. Okay, let's go to year 4. What? Dad!
Yes, Ella. What happened?
Excel's not working.
Oh, let me try. So side. Over here?
No. Yeah, I mean.
Oh. What happened? You haven't done nothing.
Yeah, because it didn't sign in. So it didn't save it.
I told you to go and do Excel and sign in.
No, you said do IXL. You didn't say sign in while doing IXL.
Really? What?
I must admit, I have made the mistake of not using my Google account to access Google site. Before we continue with our story, let's see who our Duffy Award winners are.
Kia ora koutou katoa. This is a Duffy Award presentation. So this week for our Court Being Good Awards, we have Patrick Kaitareta. Patrick, this week you get an award for showing great enthusiasm on our Zoom story time. Blake Tuafa, your award this week is for showing increased confidence when taking part in Zoom sessions. And Tika Tuatahi this week, we have Adam Brzezowski. Adam is getting an award for working really hard on his sight words and recording his work on Seesaw. Tyrese Tivanga, your award this week was for writing and illustrating an interesting story on Seesaw. Ka pai, Tyrese. Lucas Esmedal, your award this week is for your great participation towards stories read during Zoom sessions. Matthew Malili, you are getting an award this week for excellent contributions to your learning literacy tasks on Seesaw. In Whakanui Tuatahi this week, we have Evie Hartman. Evie Hartman is getting an award for a spectacular, well-written report incorporating paragraphs and amazing vocabulary. Emmanuel Schuster, this week your award is for completing his online learning reading task to a high standard and producing amazing questions. Well done, Emmanuel. In Whakanui Tuarua, we have Noah Sivao. Noah, this week, you've done a great job learning and reading your prayer in Samoan for the Whakanui Assembly. Great job, Noah. We have Joanna Dawn Johns for reading her script with expression for the Whakanui Assembly as well. Kingston Luatua, this week you are getting a fantastic award for the wonderful work you have produced during online reading and writing workshops during lockdown this week. Ewan Williams, this week your award is for working really hard to complete your home learning tasks this week. Well done, Ewan. And Aroha Nui Tuarua this week, Aisha, you are getting an award for proclaiming the word of our hub-led maths, which happened last week with great expression and fluency. Christian Coolio, this week your award is for making a wonderful start in Aroha Nui Tuarua, especially showing a really positive attitude. We love to see people like you at our school, Christian. And in Tumanako this week, we have Marganita Latchin. Now Marganita, you're getting an award this week for creating a detailed fishbone graphic organiser for your writing. Well done, Marganita. And our final award this week for our Court Being Good Award is Claire Brzezowski. Claire, this week you are receiving an award for using paragraphs to organise your ideas when writing about your trip to Wero last week. Well done and congratulations to all you wonderful people.
Do you guys have any idea on how this story ends? Well, here it is. It goes something like this. Isaiah and Tyler trained hard. They trained and trained until they were ready to go to the TikTok Champions Hit 2021. Now remember, this is the best dance competition out there, so it's kind of like a really big deal.
Zoe, we don't like this part of the story.
Hey, shh. This is the best part of the story. Here's my TikTok Championship Award. That's right, I won it. Let me tell you how I did it. While the boys were training with their crews, I prepared a little crew of my own. And I was trained by the very best. Master Sensei, Rob, you may remember him.
I am just a figment of your imagination.
I have a soap. Wash, wash, wash. Clean hand. Clean hand. I have a handle. I have a soap. Wash, 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 wash.
Master Sensei Rob worked with my crew, and for many days and many nights. They were long but tiring.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3. We won. Here's the video.
Pineapple pen, apple pen, pineapple pen. Pen pineapple apple pen.
So everyone, the moral of this story is just get on with each other. I won this trophy. Bum ba 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 da ba da bum. Bum da ba da ba 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 da bum. Bum ba da ba da ba da bum. I won this trophy, people. I rule. Yeah, you. I rule. Yeah, do. I rule, you guys. Okay. Remember to be kind and wash your hands, do 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 do. Wash your hands, do 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 do. Wash your hands, do 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 do. Wash your hands. Wash your hands, people. Wash your hands. Okay? I hope you guys all stay safe. And please wait for more Whakanui stories of fame. They're goodies. Thanks.
I le suafa tamā, ma le alo, ma le nganga pa ia amene. Ia tātou tatalu, lo mātou tamā o le langi, whawhetai o whau inga a ua onga o le nei vai yaso. Whaamanuia le pule a onga, whai a onga, mātua, whaapea mātou le whanau a onga. Ono Yesu, amene. Le suafa tamā, ma le alo, ma le nganga pa ia, amene.